The law offices of Spar Bernstein with 2 locations in New York, 2901 White Plains Road in the Bronx and 225 Broadway in Manhattan. Call now to make appointments at
1-800-LAW.
Let's talk with another caller. Good morning, caller. Thank you for holding. You're in the immigration link. Go right ahead and speak with the immigration lawyer. Hello?
Hello, good morning.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I'm calling from Montego Bay. My husband's mother, she's a citizen, she has filed for him. Our party date is May 2002. And my daughter will be 21 shortly. She'll be 21 like, within the next year or so. Just call to find out how long will it take us to go and if she'll be able to go with us.
The answer is, again, it's impossible to determine whether she will be able to go. There's a formula called under the Child Status Protection Act that allows some children who are over the age of 21 to still be able to go. You cannot figure out that formula until you actually get very close to getting the visa appointment. And the way the formula works is you add on to the child's 21st birthday the difference between the time that the original I-130 visa petition got filed till it got approved. So
I got a letter stating it has been approved, but because of there's a delay.
When was it approved? When was it approved? When was it approved?
It was approved probably about 3 years now, 4 years.
And so you filed in 02 and it got approved in 03?
No, it was filed. Yeah, it was filed in 02. 3, 4, 5. About 05, it has been approved.
Okay, so then your child will get approximately 3 years added to her birthday, so she'll get to about 24. Okay. So it sounds like she'll be okay because you're about 2 years away.
Okay, I appreciate it. Thank you.
But you know, when I say it sounds like it's going to be okay, you never know 100% until you get the visa appointment. Because the other thing you have to do is sometimes people sit on the paperwork. And under the Child Status Protection Act, you only get to add on that those extra years onto the 21st birthday if you actually apply for the green card, go for the visa appointment within a year of being eligible to do so. So people who sit So people when the visa when you start getting the paperwork from the National Visa Center, if you're going to sit on that paperwork, that even though the child is still in the case, if you don't get the paperwork back fast within a year and it's all done within a year, the child still could possibly age out because you didn't do everything within a year. So, you know, there's still things. So just, it sounds like your kid will be okay. Just know when you get the stuff from the National Visa Center, do it fast.
Okay, caller.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you for sharing with us and reminding you we are in the immigration link. You can call us on all our numbers 1-888-991-4430, 925-7172, 755-3985, 969-6933, 952-4081 or 952-0145. Brad Bernstein is live. We are linked with WVIP Linkup Radio in New York. We have Sean sitting in for Squeeze. So call us now to get your immigration questions answered. Remember, we're talking about migrating to the US of A, not to Canada or the UK. So call us now. We go up until the top of the hour at midday, and Brad Bernstein is live. Let's talk with our callers. Good morning, caller. Hello, you're in the immigration link. We're not getting through to our callers. We are in the immigration link live, and now is the time to call us. And Brad, another question, because that lady who called about her husband, the problem with her husband, an order of removal. I've heard people talk about orders of removal. What exactly is that?
Okay, so that's different than what she could. What I heard her say was that the husband got stopped at the airport and was turned back.
Yes, but the person has an order. Yes,
that would be a summary exclusion. An order of removal is a order from a judge in the United States actually deporting you. Which is
so the term is an order of removal because she
Correct.
did say that they told her that he had an order of removal.
Okay,
that's what she said.
Oh, okay, then I misunderstood her because what I heard was that he got stopped at the airport and sent back.
She said that was the second time around. Yes.
Oh, that was the second time around, and the first time he got an order of removal just because he had the wrong documents. He was here. Well, illegally.
Wrong documents in Jamaica translates into buying fake documents that are not yours.
I understand that. Yes. But what I don't understand is usually that's caught when you're at the border. After you make it into the United States, they usually don't catch you with wrong documents because you're not showing it to anybody anymore. So that's what threw me off a little bit. But if he was ordered deported, there is also a waiver for that as well.
Okay, but the term order of removal, is
deported. Deportation.
Is deported. Is
Right,
the term
right.
for deportation.
Correct,
Thank you, Brad. Let's talk with another caller. Good morning, caller. You're in the immigration link. Go right ahead. Hello.
Good morning.
Yes, go ahead, ma'am.
I'm
Turn off your radio if you have a... Hello, ma'am.
It's a legitimate marriage. The other day I was coming up and they stopped me at the airport. So they have a complaint that I'm in a fraudulent marriage. They have all my documents. What am I supposed to do? My marriage is very legitimate.
Did you have a green card?
Yes, ma'am.
And then they stopped you and sent you
It's a
home?
conditional one.
Okay, you had a conditional green card and then they stopped you and sent you home?
I'm still in the U.S., but they have all my documents.
Oh, you're in the United States right now?
now.
Okay, so you're in the United... Okay, and now what's the story with you and your husband? You live together?
Yes.
Okay. The Immigration Service has the right. The Immigration Service has the right to rescind your conditional green card if they and they can do it with it before the end of the 2-year period if they have probative evidence to say that this is a fraudulent marriage. Now, there is a rebuttable presumption then that goes to you. You can rebut that, and they have to send you a notice of intent to deny, and then you have to basically submit documentation, overwhelming documentation to prove it's a real marriage. And if you can't, they will put you in removal, which we just discussed as deportation. And then you have the right to prove before an immigration judge that it's a real marriage. And then if the immigration judge doesn't buy it, you have the right to appeal. So you have plenty of bites at the apple to prove it's a real marriage. What needs to be done now is you're kind of like in legal limbo right now simply because you don't know what's going on and they haven't done anything. All they did was hassle you at the airport and take your documents. So what I would suggest that you do is you make an appointment to come to see us so we can move this process along and get you back on the right path.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay, so how would I?
Well, if you're in the United States, if you're in the United States, you don't have. There's a toll-free number you can call, a 1-800 number you can call toll-free to set up a consultation. It's called and the toll-free number only in the United States, not in Jamaica, is 1-800 LAWLINK. That's 1-800-LAW-LINK, or I'll give you the digits.
Hold on, ma'am. Yes, you have the...
1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800-529-5465.